I'm going to unbox my Epson scanner, that is WorkForce ES-200, and this is a duplex document scanner with the ADF. So let's do the unboxing. So this is the Epson certified refurbished scanner. So it comes with the power cables of different size. So it comes with the manual USB cable, so we can connect it with the MacBook, laptop, computer, and one end goes to your scanner. And this is the power cable, power adapter, so we have to plug it in. So let's plug it in here at the back. So it's DC 5 volt. Now to use this scanner, you can move this section on the one side and just lift it. You can load the documents. For that we can just arrange this here. It has different markings. You can just push this on the side, place the pages you want to scan. This scanner can only be used with the USB cable, so it doesn't have a Wi-Fi capability, so you have to always plug it in. So it's easy, you just once download the drivers, install it in your MacBook or laptop, and you just have to plug it in and just do the scannings. Also, it doesn't have a rechargeable battery, so you don't have to worry about the battery. You just have to plug it in to use it. So that's the unboxing. Thanks for watching.